Percentage yield is something quite simple. Actually, this is something that should play in your advantage. Should be something that if you find it in an exam, should give you marks, easy marks. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Let's say I got this reaction from the previous video. I have 14 kilograms of calcium oxide and I need to find out how many grams do I get of calcium hydroxide. So I do all my calculations and I got that the mass formed should be 18,500 grams. And I look at the next question and it says only 15,000 grams are actually produced. Calculate the percentage yield of the reaction. The percentage yield is defined as the actual yield divided by the theoretical yield, but it's a percentage, so times 100. In this reaction, the actual yield is what is actually produced, so 15,000 grams are actually produced. And divided by the theoretical yield that we just calculated it before, which is 18,500 grams. That is 83%. But why only 15,000 grams are actually produced? It is not always possible to obtain the calculated amount of products because of the following points. And I've taken this right from the IGCSE specification, so you need to know them really well. 1. The reaction may not go to completion because it is reversible. 2. Some of the product may be lost when it is separated from the mixture. And finally, some of the reactants may react in ways different from the expected reaction. One more thing, you can use mass or moles to calculate the percentage yield, but make sure that you don't mix them. So, if you use the mass, for example, to calculate the percentage yield, make sure you put the actual mass obtained divided by the theoretical mass times 100. If you use moles, make sure you put the actual moles produced divided by the theoretical moles produced times 100, but do not mix them. Do not do actual mass divided by theoretical moles, for example, because that will be a mistake. That's all for today's video.